Well, with freezing temperatures on the way this weekend, Austin Energy is making sure their equipment is up to date and safe.
KVUE's Malia Masamoto is live outside an Austin Energy substation in North Austin to tell us what they're doing. Malia?
Well, Quita, Ashley, managing the trees around power lines is something that's been on Austin Energy's mind for definitely the past year, if not longer, with all of these winter storms causing major power outages. But they're telling us that they've actually been in good shape and have been making progress with their tree trimming. Last year's ice storm brought a cold snap that affected more than just the trees. Dozens of power lines were knocked over, causing parts of the city to lose power for days. And again, this winter could prove to have a repeat of freezing temperatures.
There's no longer a question of if we will have extreme weather in our region, but now when.
A winter storm last February knocked out 10.4 million trees, and for the past year, Austin Energy has been trying to catch up.
Our vegetation management crews continue to focus on tree trimming around our poles and equipment.
But it's not something they've always excelled at. A September report from the city auditor showed that Austin Energy was behind on their upkeep of trees around power line. The audit said trimming at less than industry standards for years has contributed to overgrowth and increased workloads. But since that report, the energy company came up with a plan.
We have about 85 crews that are out there.
Along with the increased tree trimming crews, Austin Energy has been weatherizing and inspecting their equipment and adding more people to their emergency management team to respond to issues during extreme weather. Now, to make sure you're informed of how Austin Energy is affected by the weather, you can sign up for their outage text alerts. You can also get weather alerts from the KVUE News app. Quita and Ashley.
Our Malia Masamoto out there. Thank you, Malia. And right now,